Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, الذين آمنوا يقاتلون في سبيل الله والذين كفروا يقاتلون في سبيل الطاغوت فقاتلوا أولياء الشيطان إن كيد الشيطان كان ضعيفا. Translation: Those who believe, they fight for the cause of Allah, and those who disbelieve, they fight for the cause of Taghut, devils or false gods. So fight against the companions of Shaitan and false gods. Indeed, the strategy of Shaitan is ever very weak. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded Muslims to fight in the path of Allah for two reasons. One is to make the Islam prevailing religion over all religions, and the other reason to help the oppressed Muslims, to help the weak Muslims who are tortured by non-Muslims and kuffar. And in today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that the Muslims should fight with those who fight in the cause of shaitan, in the cause of the falsehood, in the cause of injustice. And Muslims should fight for them, for the truth, for the justice, and for the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Those people who are fighting for the shaitan, for the taghut, for the devils and evils, they are fighting for them, and the shaitan is very weak. The strategy of shaitan is very weak and it has no basis, while those who fight in the path of Allah, they are supported by the Almighty and All-Wise and All-Powerful, who is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So there is absolutely no comparison between those who fight in the path of Allah and those who fight for the devil. So Muslims are instructed in this ayah, Muslims should fight against those people who are fighting for the falsehood, who are fighting for the sake of shaitan and devils. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us act on the commandments of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.